If you need to request a refund from DAZN, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before initiating a refund request, review DAZN refund policy to confirm that your situation qualifies for a refund. Typically, refunds are granted for issues like billing errors or service interruptions. Step 2. Log into your account. Visit the DAZN website or open the DAZN app. Log into your account using your email address and password to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to customer support. Once logged in, locate the customer support section. This is usually found in the account settings or help menu. Look for options related to billing or refunds. Step 4. Submit a refund request. Follow the prompts to submit a refund request. Provide all necessary information, including your account details, the reason for the refund, and any relevant transaction information. Step 5. Await confirmation. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for confirmation from DAZN. They will inform you about the status of your refund request and any next steps. By following these steps, you can effectively request a refund from DAZN. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for further assistance.